I'm djTLM, and this is Share the Knowledge. Today's podcast is brought to you by Bandzoogle.
Serato or Rekordbox, and why? Is the new Rekordbox DDJ1000 enough to switch to Rekordbox? You mean the new Pioneer DDJ1000. All right, now this is something that is all about personal preference, and I know you always hear me say this when you're asking me for my opinion when it comes to this versus that. When it comes to making a choice between two controllers, two turntables, different software, and same as in most occasions here, Serato DJ and Rekordbox both work great. They get the job done very well. It is about personal preference. So if you're asking me, Serato or Rekordbox, right now, I have to say Serato DJ. And the main reason for that is that's the software I've been using for the last, I don't know how many years. I started with Final Scratch, moved on to Serato, and I've been there ever since because it just fit me well. They've updated constantly, added new features. It still works great for me. It's perfect for my S9, so I'm good. I've used Rekordbox and there's nothing wrong with it. It actually looks quite similar to Serato. So if you were to switch from one to the other, I don't think it's a big adjustment. Right now, I just don't see enough reason to. Because like I said, everything is working fine, and Rekordbox DJ is not offering features that I need right now that I don't have in Serato. That's the main reason. Now, for instance, if you're a DJ who likes to switch it around, and one time you're using a controller, next time you're using DVS, and you're using Serato right now, but you're also doing a lot of gigs with CDJs, but when you play with CDJs, you're not using them in DVS mode with Serato, but you're bringing your flash drive. That means you're preparing stuff in Rekordbox, especially to play with CDJs. I know people who are in that situation. In that case, it could be interesting to make the switch to Rekordbox, because if you're playing with turntables in DVS, you have Rekordbox DJ that works. If you're gonna play on CDJs, you can take your files or playlists that you're already using, just export them to a flash drive and use the CDJs and work with certain controllers. That could work. Now, when you're asking me if the Pioneer DDJ1000 is enough to switch to Rekordbox, I don't know. I'm still waiting to test it. It looks like a great controller, so I don't know if that's enough to switch. That's not up to me to say. If you really feel like that is the thing you want to work with and it works with Rekordbox DJ, then maybe that's going to be the best option for you. Once again, there's nothing wrong with Serato or Rekordbox. You just have to decide what the features are that are most important to you, try them both out, see which one feels right for you. So for instance, if you're really into music management and doing a lot of set preparation in your DJ software, Rekordbox was always the better option when it came to doing that. Now recently, since Serato DJ Pro, they did update a couple of things, and including the 2 players in offline mode. It's now getting closer to where Rekordbox is, but I still feel that Rekordbox would be the better solution for set preparation and music management. If that is really important to you, then maybe that's the best choice. But again, your choice. I want to thank you for tuning in to episode 45 of the Share the Knowledge podcast. If you're tuning in to iTunes, Anchor, or SoundCloud, or if you're watching one of the video clips on YouTube, I'll be back next Monday with a new episode, and you can find me anywhere on social. The handle is djTLM, or go to my YouTube channel, djTLMtv, or send me your email, djTLMtv@djtlm.com. All the links to all the info and everything is in the description box down below. Make sure you share this video or this podcast if you like this info, so you can help me share the knowledge and we can build this movement. I'll be back soon. If you're subscribing to my YouTube channel, make sure you also turn on the notifications, because YouTube is not sending my videos to your subscription feed. I want to make sure you get all of the content that I'm making for you guys. All right, I'll be back next week on the podcast or anytime on YouTube. Peace.
Bandzoogle makes it easy to build a stunning website for your music in minutes. You can choose from hundreds of mobile-friendly themes and then customize your design and content in a few clicks with Bandzoogle's easy visual editor. Now, all the features you need for a professional website are already built in, including tools to sell your music and merch commission-free, mailing list tools to grow your fan list and send newsletters, and integration to pull in content from all your online services, including Twitter, Instagram, and SoundCloud. I use Bandzoogle to create the Share the Knowledge podcast website, and that was very easy. Bandzoogle plans start at just $8.29 a month and include your own free custom domain name. Now, if you want to try it out for free for 30 days, click on the link in the description box down below and be sure to use the promo code SHARE to get 15% off the first year of your subscription.